You're going to love this super quick and easy chocolate fudge recipe. Place all the nuts you are using on a baking sheet and toast in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes or until fragrant. Remove from oven, cool and then chop coarsely. Place a heat-proof bowl with chocolate over a pan of simmering water, add condensed milk and butter, melt the chocolate mixture stirring frequently, making sure the mixture doesn't get too hot. Stir until smooth and then remove from heat and mix well. Now add the chopped nuts and vanilla extract and mix well again. Once mixed, spread the fudge in a prepared 8-inch square pan lined with parchment paper and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. Carefully remove the fudge from the pan by lifting the edges of the paper. Now cut into desired size squares with the help of a sharp knife. Now this easy homemade fudge recipe comes together in no time with only a few ingredients. It's so silky and smooth, full of chocolate flavor with a perfect crunch of all the nuts inside it. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for several days and enjoy!